Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about HoneyBook, which is managing business app that helps your managing business get easier. We'll go through some pros and cons. We'll check, as you can see, pricing here. I'll tell you more about HoneyBook. We'll create an account and log straight in, and I'll explain to you how you can work inside of HoneyBook. So, what is HoneyBook? It's a client monitoring solution helping out small businesses to book clients, manage individual projects, and send invoices to them. An end-to-end project tracking feature within the particular enables users to get multiple projects mapped and monitored from start to finish. Business houses get to sequence up personalized messages to individual clients and get reminded of the due tasks by HoneyBook. They can also generate secure and safe online contracts for their clients with a particular solution and get them signed as per the convenience of the latter. With HoneyBook, brands get to streamline fully featured clients' meetings. HRs can configure the meeting schedule and medium as well. Managing payments from clients is no more tedious tasks, as HoneyBook supports monetary transactions through credit, debit, and bank transfers. The platform offers seamless integrations with other popular tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, Zapier, QuickBooks, etc. Thus enhancing the efficiency levels of business process and project monitoring in real time. It's made mainly, I would say, for small businesses and freelancers, maybe medium businesses, but it's not that well optimized. And you can run it in your web browser or in your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you have Android or iOS, it will work fine on both of them. So let's check out the pricing. As you can see, save while you ramp up or dive right into the no limits. That means they're also providing a free free trial version for you, but if you want to go with the starter plan, it's $9 a month, which access to all features, limited to 10k in total transactions, up to 6 months of concierge support, unlimited monthly is for $39. Then you can access to all features that the starter plan has. No limit on transactions, unlimited concierge support, and add unlimited team members. Then unlimited annual, which is basically this one, but you'll save up for November and December because you won't be paid for these 2 months if you decide to go annually. That's basically a very nice way of not confusing you with monthly plans or annual plans. You can check up the unlimited monthly, which is $39. It won't affect you that much, and you'll be able to start up and find out if the HoneyBook is the one for you. So let's create our free trial. As you can see, currently HoneyBook only supports professionals that are located in the United States and Canada. Please keep that in touch update. Okay, let's go on. Your full name. Let's go with this one. Let's go with online ad and next. Business name. It's yeah, let's make it coaching. Business email. And password. phone number, and we just create a free one. I was surprised that I'm allowed to create an account with Slovakian number from, for all of you, Slovakia is in Europe, not in US. And they are also providing different type of telephone numbers, not only Canadian and American, and that's really nice. What do you need the most help with? Let's go with great experience to my clients. Let's go like this. I'm new. Let's go with something else and let's start exploring. As you can see, we can start up by creating our photo in the background. Let's go with my moon. We hit continue, apply brand, logo. Let's just go forward. Looking good. Next tab, the service you offer, coaching session, and invoicing. You can just check your invoices. You see MK tutorials, coaching session for $0, but you can go like, okay, not like this, but like this. This is very funny. And then add the recipient, and it's very, very easy. I mean, very, very basic also. So for invoices, maybe I would recommend something else. But if you are a small individual and you don't really need to base it around all the other stuff that invoices bring, feel free to use it. You can first of all subscribe today, view and edit templates. We can check the templates for invoices, for example, contracts, proposals, questionnaires and brochures. We go back, then we can get ready to accept payments for add a bank account. For the sake of my own safety and this YouTube channel, I won't be sharing my bank account. Upload your existing materials. If you have already run some invoices or from other CRMs, you can implement that quite easily. Empty your contact form, and you can check it up and create the contact form. Our name, our email, phone number, project date, address, what type of project you're looking for, how did you hear about us, and many more. Then you just send it to the recipients and they should get back to you. Then when we finish setting our account, adding all the bank accounts, templates, materials, we go to the project. We can start a new project. For example, tutorial, project type. That's good. It's gonna be event. Google. We go with a date, 12:45, and you can also add end date, which is 1 p.m. So it will be a very fast one, and we will create the project very easily. Now we can add the participants. In email address, you can add your co-workers with full name, phone, mailing, and basically adding them. And now creating and pinpointing our event. But more of this in different videos, because I don't really like to create long videos because you'll get bored eventually, and the attention span is maybe like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. So we are going to create shorter videos, like 3 minutes, and I'll explain to you how to create all the events, how to add more people, how to send it to your, basically to whoever you really like, to your clients, new invoices, new meeting. Those are all really nice ideas about creating video. So I'm going to do that. Up until that, please, if you have any types of questions, how to get into the demo or the free trial, leave the questions underneath this video. Up until then, as I said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.